Hello and welcome to our new YouTube channel. This is actually my first attempt at flying our new drone. Well, any drone actually. So it's quite exciting. So it was an early morning start out to nearby Rill, which I knew offered a grassy area in front of the seaside basically. And I thought it would be a safe thing to do before there's too many people about, and yeah, just a safe thing to do. So, first of all, I've taken the online instructional course and test for the Civil Aviation Authority to get a drone pilot's license, then also the operator's license, and obviously public liability insurance. It was slightly nerve-wracking, to be honest, the first time out. It's a £200-ish drone, and you send it off into the wilderness really. For somebody who's never done it before, it can be nerve-wracking, but the main thing is to make sure everybody is safe. So obviously do it when there's not many people or any people around, and over an area where the worst can happen is that we lose the drone. When I was a kid, the closest you got to communicating with things like this was the old 2 cans and a piece of string and talk to each other. So things have come a long way over my lifetime. So for somebody my age to be able to do this and to not stop learning and try new techniques and new things to do, it was either get a drone or a new camera. My existing camera, bridge camera, is about 20 odd years old, and I was thinking of renewing it to record our retirement really, but I thought, well, maybe a drone's a better way of doing it, a different view on life, and maybe share it with other people and just enjoy things and keep enjoying life. It's motivational. It's great because we're going to be traveling quite a bit now, and we want to record those travels and hopefully help other people and give them the encouragement. A bit of a quick button press there. I think I heard car noise and, ooh, what's going on? So as I say, that's our silver car there that we're using as a camper van at the moment. We are looking for something else as retirement looms, or my official retirement looms. So we'd be able to get something else then. But that's in the Snell Grand. It's a great vehicle. We self-converted it as a camper van. So we're off to the Isle of Wight. So I thought we'll get some practice in the wonderful Rill. People say it's one of the worst seaside resorts in the UK. I don't believe that. I can see there's a lot of work gone in, and there are some great people who live there. So it's not as bad as people say. But so over in the distance there, we're looking at that. That there is the hillside going out towards Denbighshire and down the valley down there. So it's really, it's different, isn't it? So that's it. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe. Be generous. It's our first one. Thank you. Bye.